back of Brochacho's jacket says AEW. AEW.
Oaktown.
Yeah. Will Hobbs's neck of the woods.
She's not going to that next day. I think she's going straight to the bus.
Adam's got to be inside. That's why they locked us out. That's why
We'll
they
see
locked us out.
via video.
We here. This place is fucking massive, dude.
AEW Collision in Oakland! Coming out! Don't go anywhere, it's gonna be a great night! Let's go!
Representing la facción ingobernable, el perro peligroso, Preston Bear.
Ladies and gentlemen, No Neck November is in full effect, baby! Let's go, push it together. And looking around, slow down, fellas, slow down, I get scared. Looking around, it makes sense why the Raiders left.
Toronto. We found Adam.
Adam.
We found Adam. He's right there.
There it is.
All right.
Yikes. Where's that peacock power?
More peacock power.
You think you know him?
It's Steve! Darby! 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 It's Steve! Steve! Yeah! Let's go, Stinger! Including you!
Hey, I just said to you with him. I just said to him. That's what you get, Lance.
Exactly.
There you go, Aubrey. I just said to one. That's what you get.
Yeah, let's go, Steve! strong loogie.
That was a traveling loogie.
What the fuck was that?
What was that?
It's out of here! It's good! Woo! Woo!
Oh, come on, Rouge.
He's tired. He drank his hell of tired. Oh! Damn! Damn!
It's a fake out. Fake out. Oh!
Yeah! Oh! I forgot what comes next. Next strong, baby. Adam! Woo! The whole time we've been looking for Adam.
The whole time. He's right over here. I felt Kevin over here.
Oh! That almost sent her back. Oh, thanks, Brody.
Julia.
Fight back!
Oh! Oh no!
Oh, shit.
Hey!
Oh! One, two, three!